In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Pandas using Jupyter Notebook. So let's start with a quick introduction. So in computer programming, Pandas is a software library written for the Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. So it basically offers data structures and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. So the name Pandas is derived from panel data. It's an econometrics term for data sets that include observations over multiple time periods for the same individual. So it's mainly used for machine learning in form of data frames, and it allows importing data of various file formats such as CSV, Excel, etc. The Pandas also allows various data manipulation operations such as group by, join, merge, melt, concatenation, as well as data cleaning features such as filling, replacing, or imputing null values. So these are some of the applications of Pandas. It's in economics, neurosciences, recommendation systems, statistics, stock prediction, advertising, big data, analytics, data science, and natural language processing. So some of the features of Pandas is cleaning up data, as I've already mentioned, great handling of data, Python support, grouping, visualizing, optimizing performance, merging and joining of data sets, lot of time series, etc. So we are going to import Pandas library in Jupyter. So what's a Jupyter? Jupyter Notebook, formerly named as IPython Notebooks, is a web-based interactive computational environment for creating Jupyter Notebook documents. So the term notebook refers to many different entities, mainly the Jupyter web application, Jupyter Python web server, or Jupyter document format, depending on the context. So let's move to our demo now. So before that, I'm going to show the data that I have downloaded from Yahoo Financing. It's basically a stock price prediction data for Amazon. And I'm gonna import Pandas in Jupyter Notebook, and we're gonna plot a graph based on this open named column. So I'm gonna launch my Jupyter Notebook. So I made a folder in desktop already named as Pandas Python, in which I have saved my amazon.csv file. So I am saving this file also in this particular folder. So I'm creating a new file, and I'm gonna name it as stock prediction. I'm gonna import Pandas as PD. I'm gonna put this particular code. It will help to import Pandas library. So now I'm importing a library to plot the graph, which is matplotlib .pyplot as PLT. So I'm gonna use the Amazon stock price data as I've already shown. I want Pandas to read that file, so we'll be using pd.read CSV. I'm gonna name it exactly what it is named in my folder. It's amazon.csv. So now I'm going to use a variable named stock prices. I'm going to put the value. I've already shown in my Excel file or CSV file, we have this open column from where we want Pandas to plot the graph from. So we are gonna plot the graph for stock prices. I'm gonna label my x-axis as trading days, and I'm going to label my y-axis as now it's complete, and I'm going to run the code now. And we can see that it has actually plotted a very nice graph. My y-axis is I've labeled stock price, and these are the trading days. It's a 1-year data, and that's how it has become so much easier using the Pandas library to plot such graphs and to see what the prediction is. And we have already seen the applications in other fields as well. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.